Neville Goddard challenged one of the greatest assumptions of society, that struggle, force, and endless effort are the only way to success. He said, "Assumption is greater than effort. The world teaches work harder, push longer, sacrifice more, but many labor endlessly and remain in want." Why? Because their inner state contradicts their outer action. A man may strive for wealth, but if he feels poor, his effort is wasted. The subconscious accepts feeling, not strain. On the other hand, one who assumes wealth inwardly, who feels it real, will see doors open without exhausting himself. Effort flows naturally, guided by the assumption. Neville illustrated this truth in many ways. He told stories of those who simply assumed their wish fulfilled and then found themselves led effortlessly to its realization. They did not scheme, beg, or push. They assumed, and the world conformed. This is not passivity, it is alignment. You still act, but your action is inspired, guided, effective. There is no panic, no desperate clawing. There is the calm, knowing it is done. Effort without assumption is wasted motion. Assumption without effort is still fruitful, because the subconscious will orchestrate events, but the most powerful life combines both. Assumption as foundation and effort as natural expression. How do you practice this? Begin by asking, what would I do if I already had my desire? How would I carry myself? How would I speak? How would I walk through the world? Assume that posture inwardly, then let action flow from that state. The difference is subtle but immense. One acts from desperation, the other from fulfillment. The first drains energy, the second attracts opportunities. Life responds to assumption, not effort. The seed of belief draws the harvest. The field of action must serve the state within. So choose assumption over struggle. Work if you must, but work from the joy of fulfillment, not from the fear of lack. Assume boldly, act naturally, and the world will mirror your inner conviction.